So good morning everybody, I am Dipanjan Ghosh. Today I want to discuss about biological classification chapter, that is the NEET based discussions. Here I have seen the two kingdom classification proposed by Linnaeus, and then the R.H. Whitaker 1969 proposed the kingdom concept, and according to that organisms have been classified into five kingdom. They are Monera, Protista, Algae, Fungi and Animalia. So let's see kingdom Monera. So basically bacteria are the most abundant organisms. Among them we see different types of bacteria: Coccus, Bacillus, Vibrio and Spiridium. And in kingdom Monera, so the bacteria structure is very simple, and we know there can be some bacteria autotrophic and some are heterotrophic. And also we see Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, different types of bacteria included in bacteria kingdom, bacteria class. And Eubacteria are basically true bacteria. They contain the digit AY. And cyanobacteria are blue-green algae. They are basically photosynthetic autotrophs. They are called the cyanobacteria. And the chemosynthetic autotrophs can generate the ATP from nitrites from chemical substance. And these are the heterotrophic bacteria. And bacteria reproduce mainly by fission process, and in favorable conditions they will form the spores. And we know next for Monera is the kingdom Protista, and basically Protista are primarily aquatic, and we know Protista are chrysophytes, dianophagiates. Chrysophytes, they are found in the fresh water, microscopic. Chrysophytes, example is diatoms. And dianophagiates, mostly marine and photosynthetic we see. And dianophagiates, the red dianophagiates is the and the kingdom Protista is basically eugenoids. We see the structure of eugena. They have two phagia, and if we go to the cymoids, they are the saprophytic, and protozoans. If we go to the protozoans, that is the amoeboid phagiated. Different types of protozoans, they contain the amoeboid protozoans are such type, and ciliated protozoans, they contain the cilia. We know next to Protista is kingdom Fungi, and we know the kingdom Fungi are basically cosmopolitan, and it is unique, and the source of with different types of antibiotic is basically found, such as penicillium, yeast. And kingdom Fungi contain hypha, mycelium, etc. Most fungi are saprophytes, and some are parasites. And reproduction by fission, budding, asexual reproduction process, and fragmentation process. And sexual. And if we go to the reproduction process, if we go to the sexual reproduction, then karyogamy we have found. And kingdom Fungi, basically the fruiting bodies, fungi from the fruiting bodies. And kingdom Fungi have been classified into different category. We know there are different fungus, that is the Basidiomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, Deuteromycotina. So we have since and basically unicellular, the Basidiomycotes are the mushrooms, and basically they do the vegetative reproduction process. Deuteromycosis are asexual spores, that is presence of conidia. And then the kingdom Pianti come, and if we go to the kingdom Pianti, then we see basically it includes plants, eukaryotic, crophias containing organisms. And one is this, we know such a life cycle contain the diploid, sporophytic and haploid also. And the kingdom Animalia, basically we know the animal kingdom, they are multicellular, are heterotrophic eukaryotes, basically virus, viroids, viroids and lichens are virioids, viruses, virioids and lichens are present here. In fine kingdom classification, as well organisms, viroids, we see that in case of virus, they are basically they contain the nucleoproteins, that is a protein coat and a genetic material. And we see that basically there are some viruses who can have the capability to infect the bacteria and do the lytic and lysogenic cycle, causes different diseases. And we see there are diseases, the tobacco mosaic virus and the bacteria of phage. here are different types of viruses that is have been shown. And in an infectious agent with a free or molecular weight RNA called the viroids. And in case of lichens, we see there is a association between fungi and algae. That is the association, and prions. Certain infectious neurological diseases are found by prions, and this is the bovine spongiform